Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a clip in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment and a like. So let's begin. Now we will be needing to simply start a new project so we can edit on our footage. You can click on this plus sign and that would allow you to start importing your clips. Now I will choose just this image and from here I'm just going to click on done and now it will take us to the editing panel or editing page. So here you will see the timeline where you can add your footage and you can see their timing. After that, you will be able to start seeing this toolbar at the bottom and that would allow you to start editing on your clips. Now, if I click on this one, you will have a variety of tools that will be showing, and one of them is this mirroring. This will rotate in a mirroring way our clips, and that's the only thing or the only feature that are available in edits. Otherwise, if you want to have some other kind of editing, you will be able to do it by going to Instagram. You can save export and save your footage to your camera roll, and after that, you will be able to start also editing on Instagram. After that, you will be able to go to Instagram and start editing by rotating or do whatever you'd like on this specific footage. So basically, those were the way, or this is the only way that you can do to rotate the video using edits. Thank you for watching and see you next time.